Welcome to the XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, you'll learn about the refresh function, an essential feature that ensures seamless data integration and optimal performance within the software. Mastering this function will help you enhance your workflow and prevent potential issues. Let's dive in. The refresh function is crucial for aligning new data with our software. For example, when you import external data, clicking refresh ensures that it integrates smoothly and is compatible with our system. This function is not only vital for data import, but also necessary after performing operations such as adding or deleting data. Before executing key operations like the supernesting feature, it's important to use the refresh function to ensure everything runs smoothly. Essentially, it's a step that should be performed before any major functionality within the software. Regularly using the refresh function can help minimize unexpected issues and ensure that your workflow remains efficient and error-free. Congratulations! You now understand how to use the refresh function effectively. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insights and tips on getting the most out of XXOTO software.